Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel, and in this video tutorial we are going to see how to install Git on your Windows machine. So basically what is Git? So Git is or GitHub is a repository which is used to store the development project in the sense the software development project. So it contains folder, so it may contains folders, that folders will contain software code or any type of file, that is HTML, CSS, JavaScript, documents, data and images. So let's get started. So you need to open a Google Chrome. So here type in git download, click on enter button. So here you will be redirected to the gitscm.com. So you just need to click on the download git. So here you will see the different options, that is Mac OS, Linux, Unix or Windows. You just need to click on the Windows if your operating system is Windows, or you need to click on Mac OS if your operating system is Mac. So I'm going to click on the Windows. Here you need to select the bit, 32-bit or 64-bit. So just click on the 64-bit operating system. Your download will start. So depending on your network connection, it will start downloading. So we need to wait till the download completes. So the Git is getting downloaded. It's about to finish now. So once the download is complete, you just need to click on this exe file. Yeah, so download is completed. I'm going to click on this exe file. Yes, here you will see the general public license. You need to read out those conditions, then click on next. Here all the settings I'm going to keep as the default one, so you just need to click on the next, next. Check out Windows style. Here's main TTY. All the configuration I have kept as a default one. Click on install. So in this step it will copy the files to the particular location from your operating system. So we need to wait till all the files get copied to the location. It will take few seconds. You will see this launch git bash screen. You will also see the view release notes. Just click on the finish and the terminal will be launched. So here you will see the terminal. So you can click on Ctrl plus to zoom out or zoom in. Here you can click help. You will see all the commands. Here help is showing you all the commands. That's it, we are done.